So you read up on the Refold method, you begin the basics, you download Anki, get a shared deck or started making one yourself, and subscribe to your favorite YouTubers in your target language for immersion. As well, you might have marked your favorite TV shows or movies. At later stages, when you know enough words, you start to sentence mine. You don't need these picture cards anymore. You can actually start having full sentences and being able to understand them. And when you sentence mine, it will be very important for you to find unknown and interesting words in your media that you watch. After a while, you seem to not have any energy in making cards. That might happen from day to another. But if it starts to continuously become very fatiguing and you just wish to watch your show in peace because you're enjoying it so much, but then you feel some guilt because you haven't made any sentence cards for tomorrow. Now, my question for you, did you ever run out of any new sentence cards and thus missed a day in Anki to see new words? Well, fear not. I'm introducing a tool called the Automatic 1T Sentence Miner that looks at a given text that you give it and it analyzes it, parses it, looks at the words you know and the words you don't know, and then finds the perfect sentences based on a frequency list, which word is for you the most optimal one based on your immersion for you to learn at this given time. And this text can come from news, books, subtitles, from anywhere really. By giving the job to the sentence miner, you will have more time in enjoying your immersion, and also you will have no missed days in Anki. I myself, after using this tool, started to have an overflow of cards. I was making so many. Here, in this video, I will explain how to install this tool, as well as I'll guide you to other features that are very exciting about the 1T Sentence Miner. So let's go. Before we start with the installation guide, I want to also make this tool known, which is made by Migaku. You can buy this tool, which also has the function to export to 1T from subtitles and TV shows or movies. It is known to take a bit more time. You can visit this website. It gives you instructions on everything. And also there's another tool. This one is free, which is subs to SRS. It is much older, and you might think that that's a better option for you. These are mostly designed only for movies, TV shows through subtitles, while my tool also works with these and is more text heavy. This tool requires Java, so download Java through their website. It will automatically determine whether you're on Windows or Mac, and you just have to press this button. Make sure you download it correctly, and then you can go on the next step. Now you want to go on the page for the 1T Sentence Miner. This is the Github Repository for it. You can see you can get more information here. So here all you have to do is click code right here and then download zip. After downloads, make sure you unzip the file. After you unzip the file, go to the folder where you see all the contents here. The most important files here would be the config.txt, the corpus. This is optional if you want my note type. This is important, as well as this, and of course this jar file. If you're on Windows, like I'm on now, you want to go here on this bat file and edit it. So here you will change this right here. It's the same thing with the .command file. You'll change the path to something that resembles the path of where you decide to put the folder. So if you put it in documents, then make sure that you put the exact path to the jar file, not the folder, but the jar file. For example, I'm here. You can find the folder's name here. Also, don't worry. You can change the position of your folder anytime, but just remember to update this file. Also, this file, you can remove it from your folder. You can put it on your desktop if you want. It's not really required, as long as you don't change the path for your jar file. This, you can put it anywhere you want. So after you've put the path, you should double click on it to see if it runs. And for me, you can see that it does. You can see that sentences are 1, words are 9, and top unknown word is, as well as it says set source for the cards and all that. So it means it works. So what you will do is close this because we're not done yet. You'll go back to path of your folder and you will click on learned words. So you see this text file that shows up for the known words. So then you can remove the English that was written here, the instructions, and then you can start adding your own words manually, right? This is an option if you don't have that many words. If you have a lot of words and you're not starting, you're actually pretty advanced or intermediate, then I would recommend probably exporting words from your Anki. And if you are just starting in your beginner, you might as well have a little bank of words that you still know from Anki, because I wouldn't recommend this tool for absolute beginners that know no words. This would be probably a good tool when you're starting to sentence mine, not have picture words or one-to-one words with translation. I will show you how to export words from your Anki. So once you're on Anki, right, I have this deck that I want to export my known words to, right? So it's called the sample deck. I click on it, you have to select it, and then you have to click on the file right here in the menu bars, right? It's going to be saying file, and you have to go to export or Control E. Once you press that, make sure you select the second .txt file, right? It says notes with unformatted text. So once you press this, you have to select the deck that you want. By default, it selects the whole of Anki, all your decks, and keep all of these on. This is fine, and click export. Unless that you bold or italicize all your texts, especially your target words, you might put this off, but I don't do that, so that's fine. So then you click export, save it right there. And after saving it, you can see I have it right here. You can click on it and you see that it's going to be way more filled out if you have way more cards, and there's going to be like a huge space right here. And this is what is required. There's a few ways to get the target word from this text. An easy way is to select your Excel sheet or Google Sheets. So then what you would do is probably import the data. So you click here from text or CSV. After you put in your file here, it's going to tell you what to separate it by, the delimiter. Make sure you choose the file origin as UTF-8 so that it keeps any formatting or accents that your language has. And then make sure you select tab. Here in this example, Anki separates by tab, so you'll see that Apple keeps in this column. So then you click load and you'll get this table, and all your words, target words, are going to be in this column. If in this field you added also the articles or any other additional information, you can do a bold edit through search, like mass select all of these articles and delete them, so you can get only the word as well as decapitalized. So make sure you go online and search for a tool that uncapitalizes everything, so everything is in lowercase. So after that, you can just copy this whole thing. For example, for me, it's only Apple, and put it in the learned words. So I could have apple, pear, orange, I don't know, right, woman. So it's going to be this list. So that's how it should get the words. Do not capitalize them. Don't add any other additional information. Okay? It doesn't matter whether it is in order of frequency. It would be fine just like this. After you closed and saved your learnedwords.txt, now you have to go to config.txt and set up the following data. Do not change any of the following, the true and false. Leave it as that. The only thing you want to change is the deck name and the note name. Here you can change the dictionary that you're going to use. So bilingual will be with B, M will be with monolingual, and then your language code. For example, German is going to be DE, French FR, and ES is Spanish as examples. I'm going to be using MDE, monolingual German, and the deck name, for example, I'm going to be using my sample deck name, and the note name, my card's name is called sentence card. So this is an example. You might name your stuff a bit differently. So then you save that. Next, make sure you get AnkiConnect if you don't have it already. AnkiConnect will help you to automatically make cards based on the information that you added in config.txt. And make sure you don't change any settings from AnkiConnect. You just have to have it activated in the add-ons section in Anki, and that's it. So now you have to open the corpus.txt to put your immersion text in. It could be subtitles, it could be a book, it could be any text in your immersion target language. So here, as an example, I'm just going to do it quickly. For example, let's say ich habe keine Äpfel. And this is going to now work because I know what ich habe and kein, but I don't know what Äpfel means. So the machine's going to think that Äpfel is a new word in this example, as I said in my learned words.txt. So I launched the 1T sentence miner through the bat file, and make sure you have Anki open so that AnkiConnect can work, and this way it's going to add the cards automatically. So you can see the information such as sentences. So in the corpus file I have added only one sentence to make this demonstration a bit easier, as well as 4 words. One of them does not seem to be in the learned words, just an example so that I can create a simple 1T sentence card. So here you're going to set a source, and the idea for sources is that if in the immersion Anki review that you come across a sentence and you don't really know where it came from, this, whatever you type here, is going to show up on the card, so it can give you more information. For example, you can add the book as well as the chapter number of some text that you got the immersion text from, or the subtitles from some show, and the episode number as well as the season. You get the idea. So here I'm just going to put example, and you will see on the card example in small corner, so it won't really bother you. So you can just press, and it's going to be loading pretty quickly because it only has 4 words. And see, it adds it. Pretty simple. Here, the 3 question marks, it just represents the 3 stars. So it's a 3-star frequency word called Apfel. Here I just turned off Unicode because I wanted to test something on my computer, but here it should show up 3 stars. And it's going to say go, continue immersion. And here you can just close it, and I will show you the card that it created. Here you can see the card has been added. There's 2 cards in this note. This is just the note type. It does not add 2 notes, but just 1 note. And depending on the note, it can have more cards. So here it has the exact sentence, how I said it, as well as the root word. And what's great about this tool is that it adds to your learned words list that there's also a plural and the singular of the word. And here, this is the monolingual German dictionary. And in this example, it doesn't really help because Frucht des Apfelbaums, it just says the fruit of the apple tree. But in this case, this word would be easily represented by a picture. But you get the idea when there's a word that has more of a non-picture definition, but more of an explanation, then it can help you. Also, the dictionary gives you a few other usages of the word, such as you can see different adjectives that can go and represent an apple, as well as another way of representing an apple, as well as the source. You can see that we put example, so Quelle can be the source, is this one. So if we preview this, you can see that the Apfel, here. And on the other side, you can see the definition, as well as the sentence that it was in. And this card, you have Ich habe keine Äpfel in the front. You have to know what this bolded thing is. Also, it bolds automatically. And then you get the other part. Some extra features of the 1T sentence miner would be the adding of the asterisks in the dialog where you need to put the source. This would just skip the loading. The loading helps the tool any known words that is not added in your known words.txt. All this means is if you know the singular of a word and the plural of that word appears, it will just add it without being such a annoyance, right? You don't want the same word twice in a card. Also, the cards always gives the dictionary form at the front or in the target word field. And the other one is the % at the beginning of the source, which enables the pre-lecture plan. And this pre-lecture plan is if you want to read a book that has a very low comprehension, and you want to read that book, right? So you can boost that comprehension. The tool already gives you a score on per comprehension, and you want to boost it, right? So maybe you have 75 and you want to boost it to 90. All that does is give you a list of words, for example here, a list of words, as well as their frequency. So in this text, I guess it had two of these words, and then 1 of these words, right? And it really does not care about if it's 2T or 4T, 1T, right? All it cares is that it gives you the most frequent words in the text, so it can bump up your comprehension. This is used if you want to study a text before reading, so you can have enough comprehension so you can enjoy the text more. Of course, in this example, you can see question marks, but it should be arrows pointing to the right. Again, I took the screenshot when I don't have Unicode enabled, but I promised that it would be enabled for you. So at the moment, the supported dictionaries is only the monolingual German, but of course, check this website, the GitHub, because I'm going to be updating that. And if you have any requests for your language, as well as if you are monolingual or bilingual, please tell me so that I know which one to develop next. And here in the GitHub page, you can look at resources. You can download the sample Anki node type, is the same card type that you saw in the example I gave you in the previous minutes, as well as a frequency list. So if you don't want to export your own known words, but you want to export a frequency list in your language, this lists various frequency lists in different languages in the style that I want you to give your known words in, like here, not capitalized and one per line. If you have any issues, please report them in the issues tab in GitHub. And my goals in the future is to create more dictionaries as well as find an easier way to import your known words. So I thank you for today, for watching until this point, and hopefully this tool can boost your language learning journey. Thank you for watching.